project name is Home Illuminator using bottle refractor. Our project works on the principle of refraction. Think this is a model of a hut and this is a roof. Refraction means when light travels from one transparent medium to another, it changes its direction. This phenomenon of change in direction is used in our model to eliminate dark places inside homes and workshops in daytime. Taken a transparent bottle, preferably plastic bottle, filled with water and some sodium hypochlorite inserted in it. The bottle can be fixed in such a way that more than half of the bottle is inside and remaining is over the roof facing sunlight. When sun rays fall on the upper part of the bottle, the sun rays get refracted almost 360 degrees and the room below gets illuminated. This model has been actually installed by us in 2 tribal houses at Padwalpada in Palghar Taluka. Those photos are in the logbook my friend will show.
You can see the structure of their houses and roofs. Now you can see. Can you tell me from this both of the picture which is the kitchen? No, you can't. Now this is because there is so much of darkness in daytime also. Now you can see there is the bulb. They are using only the bulb. The bulb is giving only this much light. We have took the readings. The readings are up to 15 lux. And now we have installed our bottle. Now by installing our bottle, you can see the readings are 237 lux. You can compare both of them which one is better. And now after installing our model, the room has been illuminated like that. And through bulb only this much part has been illuminated. You have seen. Now this is the element of the roof. Now in these 2 pictures you can see our 2 models can be installed and you can
it's our slogan because we are giving a light and a free of cost to the whole world. And data using our project is money saved in a residential also. Total number of BPL below poverty line people in India is 8 crore. According to the Planning Commission of India, they are saying that with the use of our projects they can save a 2.40 crore kilowatts per hour. You can see in a per hour, in a crore, it's not in thousands lakhs, it's going up to the crores we are saving. And in the commercial, they can 20,000 godans only at B1D, and they can use our model and get a rupees 4.38 crore in a month. You can see in